Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about what is prime numbers, composite numbers, and what is difference in between prime numbers and composite numbers, and how we will decide it is prime number, composite, or neither. Okay, so let's see here we have definition for prime numbers. Prime number must be satisfied these two conditions. First one, it must be greater than 1. And second one, it has factors only one in itself. So if these two conditions satisfied, that means it is prime number. Now let's talk about composite number. If it's greater than 1 and it has more factors than 1 in itself, that means it's composite number. So if we will notice something from here, so let's see, first condition, both of them, they have same. It must be greater than 1. But second condition, we will check, they are opposite. So prime number has only two factors, 1 in itself. That means you cannot divide by any other number than 1 in itself. So those are prime numbers. In composite number, you have more factors than 1 in itself. So that means you can divide by more other numbers than 1 in itself. So those are composite number. So that is difference in between prime number and composite number. Everyone is good? All right, so here we have definition. Now we will take few examples and we will check these numbers are prime, composite, or neither. So first thing we will talk about 0, right? So we need to decide it is prime or composite. So that means these two conditions must be satisfied. It must be greater than 1 and only two factors 1 in itself. So 0 is greater than 1? No, right? So it's not prime. Now let's check, it is composite. It is composite. Also, first condition for composite, it must be greater than 1. So it's not greater than 1, so it is neither. Now let's talk about 1. 1 is prime, composite, or neither. It is greater than 1? No, right? It's exactly same, but it's not greater than 1. So both of them conditions not satisfied, so it's neither. In from number 0 through 100 or 0 through any other number forever, only these two numbers, they are neither, 0 and 1. Okay, so you can remember that. Those are tricky ones. Now let's see for 2. So it is greater than 1? Yes, so first condition satisfied. Now we will check what is factors of 2. Only one way we can make 2, right? 1 times 2 is 2. And also you can think about, can we divide by any other number except 1 and 2? No. So it has factors only 1 and 2, right? So this condition satisfied for prime. So it is prime number. Now let's see for 3. What two factors? It is first condition satisfied, right? It's greater than 1. In second condition, we need to check it has more factor or just 1 in itself. So can you make 3 any other way? 1 times 3 is 3. Can we divide by 2? No. So only we have to factor 1 and 3. So it is prime. What about 4? 4 is greater than 1. So might be it's prime or composite, right? So we will check what factors of 4. Can you divide by any other number except 1 in itself? Can we divide by 2? Yes, it's even number, right? So we can divide by 2. We have more factor, 1, 2, and 4. So see, we have more than 2 factor, more than 1 in itself. So it is composite. 5. Can we divide by anything else? How many factors of 5? Only 1 and 5. So we have only 1 and 5. So it is prime. Now everyone has idea how we will decide, right? So 7, we have only 2 factors, 1 and 7. So that is prime. 24, do we have more factor than 1 in itself? Yes. So we can divide by 2. We can divide by 3, 3 times 8. We can divide by 4, 4 times 6, right? 4 times 6. Can we divide by 5? No. So we have more factors, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So we have more factor than 1 in itself. So it is composite. Very good. Let's say. Next one we have 39. 39, it looks like we cannot divide by anything, right? Can we check divisibility test? In previous video, I saw you divisibility rules for 2, 4, 2, 4, and 8, and 3, 6, 9, and 5, 10. If you missed to watch those video, I will link below this video so you can see. 39, right? How we will check? Can we divide by 2? It's not even number. Or we can say last digit, it's not 0, 2, 4, or 6, or 8. Can we divide by 3? And what is divisibility rule is? You will do sum of digits, right? 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3, so we can divide by 3. So we have more factors. We can divide by 3. So 1 and 39. If you divide by 3, you will get 3 times 13. So here we have more factors than 1 in itself. So it is composite. Now you can pause video and do these 2 problems, last 2 problems, and come back and check your answer with me. Okay. Let's see. 123. So again, it looks like prime number. We can check divisibility rules. We can do 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3, so we can divide by 3. So that means we have more factors. We can write 1 and 123. If you divide by 3, you will get 41. And that's it. So we have more factor than 1 in itself, so it is composite. Now let's check 325. Which divisibility rule we will use? We are saying here last digit is 5, right? So we can divide by 5. That means we have more factor than 1 in itself. So you can list all these factors, but we found here we have 5, right? So you can divide by 5, you will get 65. And then you will find more factors here. But what is our goal? To decide it is prime or composite. So if you will find any other factor than 1 in itself, then it is composite. Any questions? Write in comment. Okay, so yeah, one more thing I forgot to mention here. All right, so here, if you will check this, if you will notice this, right? We have only 2 is prime number, which is even number. Rest of all even numbers, those are composite number because you can divide by 2, right? So you can notice this, might be you can have question, how many even prime numbers? So how many? Only 1. If you have question, what is even prime number is? Just 2, right? So that 2 tricky questions you can have. In next video, I will try to prepare for from 1 to 100 how we will determine it's prime or composite. It's very easy. We will fill it up whole child. All right. And if you have any questions, you can write in comments. Okay, I hope this video will help you to determine its prime or composite. And I have my tutoring link. It's below. You can sign up for free skill assessment if you like. If you like this video, you can subscribe. And thank you very much. Bye-bye.